In the last few sessions, we studied about the theory of potentiometer, and in this session we will take some problems based on potentiometer. First, you note down this. A 10-meter long wire AB, meter long wire AB of uniform area of cross section and 20 ohm resistance, is used as a potentiometer wire. This wire is connected in series with a battery of 5 volt. And a resistor of 480 ohm. An unknown EMF E is balanced at 600 centimeter of the wire as shown in the figure. Calculate first one. Calculate the potential gradient for the potentiometer. Second one, the value of unknown EMF E. A 10-meter long wire AB of uniform area of cross section and 20 ohm resistance is used as a potentiometer wire. This wire is connected in series with a battery of 5 volt and a resistor of 480 ohm. An unknown EMF E is balanced at 600 centimeter of the wire as shown in the figure. Calculate the potential gradient for the potentiometer, the value of unknown EMF. First, let me give you the figure. You can note down this figure also. Five volt and a series resistor of 480 ohm. Which is connected to a potentiometer wire of length AB. And then we have an EMF connected whose value we need to determine through a galvanometer, and then we know this length is given 600 centimeter. This is 5 volt. Now first is to calculate the potential gradient for the potentiometer. First we will write the given quantities. So let me draw here one line. I'll write given length of wire AB, length of wire AB, let this be equal to L equal to 10 meter long. So that is what it is given, length of wire AB, and also resistance of wire AB. Equal to RAB. RAB, and the value is also given. The value of RAB given is 20 ohm. Now balancing length with EMF E is balancing length with EMF E. Balancing length small l equal to 600 centimeter. These are the given things. First we need to find out what is potential gradient. To find potential gradient, according to the principle of potentiometer, the potential gradient K can be written as K is equal to, if voltage across the wire of length AB is VAB, VAB divided by L, because it is voltage per unit length. The potential gradient K can be written as VAB by L. Now how to find out VAB? Let the current through this arrangement is I. Now VAB is the voltage, this voltage VAB. That's, you can consider it as without E, the whole voltage across AB will be VAB. Now VAB by L. Therefore, if I assume I as the current, I can write here VAB is equal to I into RAB, current into resistance. Now first we need to find out what is capital I. The total current in the circuit will be equal to total voltage divided by total resistance. I through the circuit will be equal to 5 volt divided by 480 plus 20 ohm. 20 ohm is RAB, total resistance. Five divided by 480 plus 20. 480 plus 20, that's equal to 500. So 5 divided by 500 or I is equal to 1 by 100 or 10 to the power minus 2 amps. Now VAB is equal to I into RAB. VAB is equal to I into RAB. I is 10 to the power minus 2 into RAB is 20. So this much volt. 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 volt or equal to 0.2 volts. Now find out K, potential gradient. K is VAB by L, that is 0.2 divided by 10 because L is 10 meter. Therefore, it is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 volts per meter. The potential gradient K is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. And we know that the potential gradient is defined as the voltage per unit length. So it is V by L. Now next question is to determine the unknown EMF E. That can be easily found by the principle of potentiometer. We know the unknown EMF E will be given by, according to its principle, because we know the balancing length, so we can easily find out that. To find unknown EMF E, according to the principle, E is equal to K into L. L is the balancing length that's given. K just now we found. K we found as 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Into 600 centimeter is the balancing length, so it is 600 into 10 to the power minus 2 or 6 meter. So this is equal to 12 into 10 to the power minus 2. Or E is equal to 0.12 volts. E is equal to 0.12 volt. Similarly, we found potential gradient K is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 volts per meter. The unknown EMF we easily found using the principle of potentiometer. E is K into L. Where L is given, you have to convert centimeter to meter. So if you do that, we will get the unknown EMF E as 0.12 volt.